Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which sort of is genuinely huge. Velo basically has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in a sort of significant manner. Velo's EMA10, in every practical sense, shows a truly descending pattern, showing how Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a truly descending pattern in a truly significant manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. 09 December 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time, basically got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is essentially transient cost expectation for Velo. Fundamentally is Velo a genuinely wise venture, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking? Velo support and obstruction levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. However, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Velo specialized investigation, certainly let us explicitly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they most certainly thought. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,642,155,706,569, or so they fundamentally thought. The especially complete exchanging volume basically remains at $68,939,985,961, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, fundamentally further appearance, how Velo support and opposition levels, and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,889.86 level after a vertical development of 1.48%, which really shows that Velo sort of has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $2,361.87 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 68 cents, following a value change of 5.62% inside a similar time span, so Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. BNB, the really local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 2.84 and as of now exchanging at $241.09 in every practical sense, further appearance how BNB, the local coin of BNB especially, is up by 2.84 and presently exchanging at $241.09, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Moreover, Solana came to $76.08 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 6.43% in esteem, pretty further appearance how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they basically thought. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a genuinely descending heading for extremely transient in a by and large enormous manner. As of now, a really broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a significant manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to, in every practical sense, distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Showing how the by and large all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $68,939,985,961, or so they essentially thought. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become certainly something else in every way that really matters, dynamic, and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, truly further appearance, how Velo support and opposition levels, and so forth in a kind of enormous manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how support truly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become essentially something else in every practical sense, dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.26% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, kind of additional appearance, how Velo support and opposition levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Velo. Velo execution as per value investigation market file. Velo, especially is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which really is very critical. However, Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a very all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in a genuinely huge manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 09 December 2023 inside an everyday time period truly made sense of underneath in a huge manner. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Velo in an unpretentious manner without a doubt. The essentially relative strength list, RSI, shows that the Velo coin generally is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 30 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Velo United States dollar moving truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker, fundamentally is demonstrating an extremely present moment in every practical sense, sell exceptionally signal, as the MACD line certainly is moving beneath commonly signal line, which sort of means for the most part bears by and large are overwhelming on the lookout, so 09 December 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Got clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo, sort of is Velo a wise venture, which in every way that really matters is very huge. While Velo's Williams %R marker generally is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and certainly momentary pattern, very inversion essentially is conceivable, which truly shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an exceptionally enormous way. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, so these occasions in a real sense show that the market generally is going in a genuinely descending heading for genuinely present moment, which in a real sense is very huge. Velo especially is moving in commonly descending course, as most certainly bears effectively explicitly take the coin beneath quick help level of $0.004, showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in every practical sense, descending heading for momentary in a genuinely huge manner. Presently Velo ought to track down a help at $0.004, or, in all likelihood, the merchants could then focus on the critical help level put at $0.005, showing how however Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.